Hello, and welcome to our pre-lecture for KVSI Chapter 7, Shifting Standards. In this chapter, we're going to be looking at the way that context can influence our claims about knowledge and perhaps even what constitutes knowledge itself. It's important to emphasize before we embark on this chapter that by context we mean something broader than mere physical location or mere physical context. We're going to be including in context things like the nature of a discussion up to that point, so that would be called discourse context, or the cultural context in which a line of thinking takes place, right? Things like being in class in a classroom is a different context than just hanging out in the classroom. Doing scientific work in a lab is a different context than just hanging out in the lab. So make sure that you don't think too narrowly about context, because that will give you a very limited picture of what's going on here. Really what's at stake is a much broader idea about how changing our location in the world, both physically and ideologically, or purposefully, right, what our goal is in a certain context, can change what we consider to be knowledge and might in fact change what knowledge means itself. So the big idea to keep in mind as you read is, how does a change in situation, how should changing factors in our environment influence how we talk about and think about knowledge? With that, I will see you after you've read Chapter 7.